In this video, we will understand what exactly is resume and what is the difference between a resume and a curriculum vitae, or in short we call it as CV. You may have heard from lot of company HRs or your friends that send me your resume, send me your CV. But most of the people have this confusion, the actual difference between resume and CV. So in this video, I will be explaining you the actual differences with examples. What exactly is resume and how it is different than a CV. My name is Sushmita and you're watching my YouTube channel Sushmita Madhu. If you are only watching my videos, please subscribe. There is a subscribe button here, subscribe, and lot of people have subscribed but they have not clicked the bell icon. Check whether you have clicked the bell icon or not. If you click, then you will get all the notifications of my videos on time. I will start first with curriculum vitae or CV. See, curriculum vitae or CV is a very detailed explanation or very detailed document where you put all your projects you have worked, all the experiences you have worked, all the complete details of your qualification, any internship, any project you have done, any research you have done, everything, what were your responsibilities, your roles, everything is explained in detail in a curriculum vitae. Now, curriculum vitae is definitely good for people who have very huge experience. I would say 10 years or more than 10 years of experience. Those people have definitely worked on multiple projects and they have acquired different skills and lot of things to portray in their document or in this profile, in their profile. So that kind of profile or that kind of document is called as CV, where lot of information, in detail information is shown. That kind of document is called as, or that kind of file is called as curriculum vitae or curriculum vitae. In short, it is called as CV. Now, resume is a very shortened form of summary of your profile. I mean to say your qualification, your work experience, what are the skills that you have acquired, everything is shortened and in a summary kind of thing put down in a document or a file is called as resume. Now I would say all the freshers or people who have experience less than 5 years of age or less than 10 years of age can definitely call their profile or call this file as a resume, because they have a very shortened kind of things that to show to the HR or the company people. Now, resume can be a 1-page or 2-page file or document, but curriculum vitae, because curriculum vitae or CV is very detailed document, it can also exceed to 5 pages or sometimes 10 pages also. But please people remember, to whomever you are sending your resume or CV, they will only look at your profile, look at your resume or CV only for few seconds. Within few seconds only they will analyze whether this candidate is fit for this position or not. So make sure if you're creating a resume or if you're creating a CV also, all your details should be at the very beginning of the document, and it should be very impressive, and the HR or the company people should be able to understand what this person can do and is it a fit to the company job or job description or that position or not. Second thing is, in curriculum vitae, adding a photograph or a passport size photograph is not required, whereas in a resume, if you put your photograph or if you put your profile picture, that will add some advantage or that will add some weightage to your profile. Second thing is, in curriculum vitae, because it is a very detailed explanation of all the projects, all the skills, everything that you have done in your education or your college or your workplace, everything is detailed there. In curriculum vitae or CV, you can also put references. I mean to say, I have worked under so and so manager and I have done all these roles and responsibilities. If you want to confirm this, you can contact my manager. My manager's references so and so. You can put those references also in CV. Whereas in resume, references, adding references or mentioning references is not that important. Now remember, resume is a 1-page or 2 pages document, whereas CV is a very detailed document, more than 2 pages or 5 pages or sometimes 10 pages. CV can be made or prepared. Now, CV or curriculum vitae can also be used for academics. I mean to say, you are going abroad, you are doing some PhD, some research work, then the college or the university may ask you to send your CV. They want to understand what exactly you have done in your post graduation or your graduation, and very detailed things they want to understand about you, what you have done. So colleges or universities or academic institutions can also ask you what exactly, or send me your CV, this kind of thing. Now that was about resume and CV. All the fresher people, call your profile as resume only. People who have done huge work or people who have more than 10 years of experience, they can call their profile as CV or curriculum vitae. Now one more thing, lot of people also use what is biodata. Lot of people have also used send me your biodata. Now please understand, biodata was like 20 years ago, people used to call resume or CV as biodata. 20 years ago or like long ago, people used to call details of a candidate as biodata, but biodata is not taken or not referred these days. If you're joining any training institute, or if you're joining any skill in learning skill in some institution, they may ask you to send your biodata. Usually biodata will have more of your profile information or your personal information, like where exactly you stay, what is your gender, what is your father's name, your husband's name, your brother sister's name, or what is your exact location, what is your permanent location, what is your nationality, what is your religion, and all these things will be asked, is usually asked in biodata. So biodata is a different thing. Resume and CV, I think by listening to this video, things are clear to you now, what exactly is resume and what is CV. So if you like this video, if you like the content of this video, please like, share and comment also. If you are watching this video for the first time, subscribe, and every week I will come up with very good informational videos, and you will definitely upgrade or update your knowledge watching my videos. So that's all about me. My name is Sushmita, and you can also follow me on Instagram handle Sushmita Madhu. Follow me there as well. So that's all about this video, and I will see you in the next video. Till that time, tata, bye bye and namaste.